What's going on, guys? Derek Johnson of Legendary here, and today I'm going to show you how to edit a funnel using saved sections. So I kind of went through this in the last SaaS video where I showed 3 of my SaaS funnels, and I'll link to that below if you want to watch that one. But I mentioned in that video that I was missing a couple sections that I hadn't quite built out yet, so I figured I might as well record myself building those sections and show you guys what that looks like. So let's just dive right into that right now. So I'm logged into DropFunnels, and I can tell that because up here at the top when I'm visiting my site, I can see these DropFunnels buttons. This is only something you'd see on the back end, so your visitors will never see this. They'll just see the site, and you can check what the visitors will see by taking your URL up here and putting it in an incognito window. So let's bring one over here just to show you. So this is what the live site looks like. It's not going to have that DropFunnels stuff. That's just for you since you're logged into your account. But we're going to jump into the editor. So we'll click the DropFunnels button, and that will pop up the builder, and you'll see all your modules over here. And now you can start hovering over different elements on your funnel. So the 2 things I needed to add were kind of that ribbon that goes across, and I'll edit that, and a testimonial section. So I usually put the testimonials right above the FAQs, so I'm just going to do that real quick, and I'll start by just duplicating this section here, and I'll put here what some of our early users have to say, right? And then below that, I'm going to want some images. So I'll put some images below, and I just took some screenshots of some testimonials just for this video and to show you how this works. So I'm going to upload those, and we'll put Genius Scheduler testimonial, and I'll put that for the alt text too. That helps for SEO and for people who can't see. That helps them read the web page. So then we'll hit save on that. And I'm going to hit done and publish and just refresh this so that image will populate. Sometimes you'll have to do that. It just depends whether the image wants to show up, or you'll have to refresh the page. So don't worry if you put an image up. Sometimes it can just take a minute. Now I'm just going to duplicate that and hit my wrench, and I'll find the other testimonial here. So we'll do this one now. And I'm going to put that same text in for my description. Hit save, and that one did just update just like that. So that's the basics that I wanted to do for that. I might space this out a little bit now. So I'll come in to this section to advanced, go to margins, and up at the top, give that a little breathing room. Maybe put it at 50. I might give this a little space too. Below the button, make this like 20. And I also wanted to change these buttons a little bit. So I'm going to go to general, and I'm going to put some arrows on the end of this instead. And I'm also going to increase that font a little bit. So for the subtext, I want the font a little bit bigger. So 16. And I don't need the arrows on this, and I'll tell you why after I blow these ones up a little bit more. That I wanted the arrows up top. And we'll do size 16 here. Hit save, and done, publish. So I wanted these arrows just to kind of point at this video a little bit. So it's just kind of like a subtle cue to go to this video. And this arrow's drawn people in as well, being right underneath the play button. So just subtle tips like that to help direct people where you want them to look. So that's all good. The last thing I wanted to do was add a little ribbon, kind of with a description of our product here. So I'm going to go to my saved modules. This has all the saved modules that you can use over and over again on your funnels or courses, wherever you want to use them. So the one we want to use, let's see, let me find it here. I believe it's this one. Let's try this one out. Yep. So that's exactly what I wanted. So this was from Genius Messenger CRM's page. But all I have to do is kind of change it for this page, and it will be good to go. So I'm going to take this color code, and I'll use that down here. So change my background. I'm going to change this button. And this will just be next funnel step on this. So let me see, background color, I'm going to make it black. And then we can just change these bullet points here. So schedule post, save post to a content library, create a content calendar. Scan posts for engagement, post history log. And we'll do filter posts by tag or type. And this is kind of short, so I'm going to put, there you go. So I'm going to hit done and publish. And now I've got a little banner section for this style of site as well. So just added a little bit, and I'll continue to flesh it out more. But I wanted to show you guys basically how easy it is to get in here in the editor, make new sections, build sections from your saved sections you already previously built, and continue to add to your toolkit as you're doing your designs. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Get my free DropFunnels starter course when you click on the link in the comments or description, and hopefully I'll see you inside.